Well, us choosing the 360 tanks over conventional saddle tanks was just the width of the tractor, we just like the tightness up to the tractor. Plus, it didn't bother our, the visibility of our tractor looking out, and plus it just followed the contour of the tractor. Well, we added the Bandits to our planter, and we were trying to figure a way to add how we were going to carry the liquid. So we decided on the 360 tanks.
Probably listened to Greg some time ago and talked about putting nitrogen on with a planter, and then started looking for some tanks a couple years ago. I didn't like anything I seen on the market, and then I seen these and got them on and loved them. Absolutely love them.
I've ran nitrogen on the planter for probably the last 8 years. Really, the industry was limited to what you had out there as far as equipment on the tractor. I like things to look neat. I was stuck using a 400-gallon tank on the front mount. That's a lot of stress on the front axle. So the tanks, 360 tanks that come out, I was pretty happy. I couldn't get a hold of them quick enough.
The balance of the weight that we were adding to the tractor, that added, it was a good all-around balance front to back with the tractor with our planter. We didn't have any heavy spots back and forth.
There's always concern with tanks about vision. They're there, I know they're there, but it doesn't bother me. We haven't even taken them off the tractor. They're still on the tractor. We use it on the grain cart, we use it on the vertical till, we use it on everything with the tanks on. I'll never take them off because you can see well enough with them on there. So, the width of them is the same as the duals on the tractor, which is very convenient. You don't take out a mailbox with a tank because they're wider than the duals. And I'm running a 12-roll fold planter, and everything is the same width all down the road. The tanks, the duals, the planter, everything it's such a nice unit the way it worked out for me anyway.
Running these tanks versus the 400-gallon up front, I've noticed less compaction on the front axle or front tires in the field. But what I've really noticed, what stands out big time, is the relief off the tractor. Having the weight distributed over the tractor. We actually turn around to use these tractors as side drill assist, and we don't have to worry about taking the tanks off. We can see down the road. Visibility is great. These tanks being not sticking out too far in the front, like in a elliptical tank in the front. If I want to pull my tractor out the road, I got to cross a little bit of a ditch. I don't have to worry about hitting the road with the tank or something like that. But so it really makes it nice and compact, not too wide. High five on